Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. I just want to tell you one simple approach for helping heal any physical condition. You just make one statement that you put into the TAT pot, which means what you want to heal in that session you're doing, and that is the biggest thing that resulted in this condition. That's it. And then you go through the whole TAT process about that one thing. And then you do TAT again the next day or in a couple days with that exact same intention. And it's like plates that are spring-loaded in a cafeteria. You take the top one off, and then the next one pops up automatically. So it's just simple. When you do it the next time, whatever that next thing is that's now the most influential factor, that's what you're doing it about without ever knowing what it is. I did this the night I found out I had cancer. I woke up in the middle of the night going, wow, cancer, okay, gonna do some TAT right now. So I did it, and I had heat and pain that was there for about 6 to 8 months, and just doing TAT that one time about I didn't know what, all that pain and heat went away and never came back, ever. So I was really happy because I thought, I know I'm going to do this other times, and I'm not going to have this kind of physical feedback. So I'm really happy this first time to have this experience. So I just kept doing it, and the cancer was gone after about a year doing this, that, and the other thing, and lots of TAT. And that was the central thing that I did with TAT, the most influential thing. So know that you won't always have an immediate feedback, and just keep doing it, see what happens over time. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next time.